SSS Industrial Doors, we're a leading manufacturer of fire and security products. We've got a number of fitting teams on site. We supply trade users throughout the UK with high-speed doors, insulated roller shutters, fire shutters and general security products. Over the last 5 years we've seen quite a lot of growth within the business, which led to expansion and us buying more high energy usage machinery. So we were seeing obviously increased electricity bills.
Centrico initially engaged with SSS on the project and came and did studies on their building to look at their roof space available for solar, their electricity demand, so that we could size a system according to both the building and the usage.
They came out and they tested our usage, particularly for us as a manufacturing company. We're using a lot of electricity from first thing in the morning to when the lads leave at 5-6 o'clock at night. Great, because that's when the sun shines.
After understanding the half-hourly data, we recommended a 30 kilowatt system. We then went through the permissions phase. We applied for the DNO to allow us to install the system on his roof.
From start to finish it was hassle-free. They just dealt with everything. Yeah, it's been great.
The system comprises of Longi solar panels and a Solis inverter. Ultimately, this will produce approximately 25,000 kilowatt hours per year and 90% of that power within the building, therefore giving him the extra 10% to sell back to the grid. The PV system will save SSS approximately 42% of their electricity costs, but also 6 tonnes of carbon saved on an annual basis. When we initially signed the contract with SSS, their electricity price was 13p and they had an estimated payback period of 4.7 years. Soon after we installed, their electricity price rose to 42 pence and has obviously brought the payback period to circa 2 years. SSS are now looking to expand the system because they've had so much of a cost saving in the initial period, and they want to maximise on the availability to cut their energy costs down further, but also take advantage of selling electricity back to the grid.
Looking at it over a 12-month period, it works. I think it's really worked well for us and we've really benefited from the savings.